Welcome to Product Critique. Today, we're diving into what many consider the best Tyr shoes on the market. The Tyr Unisex Techknit RNR-1 trainer running shoes in sky blue. If you're looking for a versatile, comfortable, and stylish trainer that performs as well as it looks, this might just be the shoe for you. First off, these trainers are designed with a cutting-edge Techknit 3D knit construction. This means the upper is lightweight, breathable, and stretches to fit your foot like a glove. It's engineered to provide unmatched comfort and flexibility, making it ideal for everything from running to casual wear. Underneath the knit upper, Tyr uses Surge NRG Plus foam enhanced with supercritical foam technology. This advanced cushioning offers remarkable responsiveness and durable support, so whether you're pounding the pavement or lifting weights, these shoes will keep you feeling supported and energized all day long. The foam is designed to absorb impact and bounce back quickly, which helps reduce fatigue and improve your overall performance. The outsole is made from carbon rubber, which is known for its toughness and grip. This gives you maximized traction on various surfaces, whether you're on the road or the trail. The beveled heel design is another smart feature that assists with landing control, enhancing stability during your stride. Fit and comfort are further boosted by a secure engineered lacing system and a gusseted tongue, which prevents shifting while you move. Inside, you'll find a molded sock liner that adds an extra layer of comfort, molding to your foot for a personalized fit. These shoes come in a striking sky blue color that stands out without being too flashy, appealing to both men and women alike. They're lightweight yet sturdy, making them suitable for a range of activities including running, trail running, and even weightlifting. At just over 1 kilogram in weight, they strike a great balance between being supportive yet not cumbersome. The material choice of polyester for the upper and rubber for the outsole speaks to durability and long-lasting wear. In terms of sizing, the pair we're looking at is a US men's size 11, which corresponds to 12.5 in women's sizes. Tyr offers a unisex design, so these shoes cater to a broad audience looking for performance and style. If you're after a trainer that combines innovative knit technology, advanced foam cushioning, and durable traction, the Tyr Techknit RNR-1 trainer is a compelling option. Whether you're an athlete or someone who enjoys comfortable, sporty footwear for everyday wear, these shoes are designed to keep you moving comfortably and confidently. That wraps up our look at the best Tyr shoes, the Techknit RNR-1 trainer. Thanks for watching Product Critique. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon to stay updated with more in-depth reviews and product insights. See you in the next video.